Okay, it is time to clean. I'm gonna show you guys, I'll show you guys a before and after, but I have downstairs and my mom has upstairs, and there's, we live right on a golf course. So if you, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is a golf cart right there. So we live on a golf course in a condo, and now I'm gonna be cleaning this patio. I have to clean, and I have to take that to the trash. I have the best outfit on. You see purple? I got matching purple Crocs and socks. So we're gonna start cleaning. So okay, I'm trying to film, mother. Why are you being so loud? Okay, time to clean. Okay, my camera is gonna die, but I'm gonna finish cleaning the porch. I have a bucket of bleach and some soap, and I need to go get a rag for these chairs because the broom is not getting it off. My camera's gonna die, so I will probably check in with you guys after I'm finishing cleaning because I'm gonna go charge the battery. And yeah, so I will check in with you guys when I'm finished with all of this. I am all done cleaning for downstairs. I'm gonna probably have to clean in the next few days because it'll probably get dusty again, but I finished cleaning and now I'm going to be editing this video. I'm gonna be editing the challenge where we did Who's Most Likely To. So today I'm gonna upload Who's Most Likely To, and then tomorrow I will upload today's vlog, if that makes any sense. But that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna be just sitting on the couch. Also, I am currently watching the Hallmark Channel, and it's the Christmas in July movies. It's the best. I love them. Since I was in Cambodia, I didn't have TV, so it's been really fun to watch TV, and now I get to watch Hallmark, which I used to watch with my roommate in college, and I just love it, and it just brings back a lot of good memories. So I'm just gonna be sitting here editing and watching Hallmark, and then later tonight we're gonna go to a Chinese restaurant and then just kind of relax. That's most likely what the day looks like, just cleaning the condo and watching movies and eating Chinese food. So it's a great day for me, but I will...
Show your own food.
Today's video, I'm going to a car dealership and I'm going to be looking at some cars. I think I will probably buy one depending on what all they have, but I'm super excited because I've had my car for probably 5 or 6 years now, and my dad let my family friend have it when I was in Cambodia, which was like a good cause, and I'd rather her have it than me. So today I'm going to be looking at some new cars, and I'm super excited to take you guys along with me. We'll be going to Enterprise today. It's about a 45-minute drive to there because we are up at our condo. Shop is where we used to live, so it's about a 45-minute drive, but we are about to leave, and I'm super excited to be looking at cars. So I'm going to take you guys with me, and maybe today I will be buying a new car. Good morning, guys. I am sorry, I really didn't film anything yesterday, so I'm gonna be combining all the vlogs from when we first arrived to the condo to yesterday, and then I'm gonna end it this morning, and then I'll start today's vlog again. Didn't really film a lot yesterday. We were buying a car, and then I got my nails done. You guys can see they're just like a nude tip, which was really fun to get, and then we went to lunch. And then we just did a lot of little errands, and then I met up with my best friend, so you'll probably see her in a few of the videos coming up because she's staying with us for the next few days. We have a lot of fun plans. My parents are going to a concert, we're going to a Yankee game, and so I'll be vlogging probably all of those things. But I do want to do a car tour, so if you guys want to see that, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below that you want to see the car tour, and I will go kind of more in detail with the pictures and the videos that I have of my new car. I'm super excited. I drove it all yesterday, and it was really fun to just have a new car and have all new like systems. Like I never had Sirius XM, so it's just been really fun to have a new car. I'm gonna end the vlog here today because I just have prolonged this vlog too long, and so I'm gonna end it now and then start again soon. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.